Oh, retry is a little bit higher. So if he wants to get
and Ruthless Audio Micro 800 watt 4 on top of that with your registration.
Empire, new 480, it came with a lot of power. Don't play with me, play with your and tell that old nigga from my hood.
Dude, what in the hell are you pushing those things with?
Just a DC Audio 5K and a Cyber 12K battery, a 400 amp volt.
God damn, dude, that thing is digging low. What kind of speakers are these? What are these?
They're like a custom build I got from Fat Boys. They're Crystal Audio Solution tones.
That thing's definitely ain't playing, man. Good shit, thank you, man.
Thank you. Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you, man. Hell yeah, dude. Sick. Yeah, these are the Steel series, man. The fucking Steel.
Oh yeah.
Laser cut steel.
All these brackets you did too.
Yep.
All this shit on the back of the box.
Yeah, you can see it. The blue lettering, laser etched in with the Mopa. It's hard to see the fine details, but they're there. And my van's flexing, but it doesn't even have a system in it.
Put your lips on, I'm a ghost, I call your name, you look right. Now your girlfriend say that you don't want to see me. I'm alone and masturbate.
What the hell do you got in here, man?
It's 8 NSA Corporal 15, so they're run off 8 Ruthless 8500s at a half ohm each. So
8? Wait a minute, hold on. 8 what?
8 Ruthless 8500s.
I don't even think damn.
And
I was back
each.
there. I don't think I remember seeing 8.
Yeah, there's 8. They're tucked back behind there. You gotta stack them in.
All right, can I get in or what?
Yeah.
All right, all right. Talking about fermenting highs. What do you got up here?
Gately 3.5. Gately tweeters. Probably Gately did the doors and
Sick as hell, dude.
all Sky High Wire, JL for the mids and tweets. JL Audio.
Are you old enough to remember the kit car?
Yeah, absolutely.
That's what this looks like.
Yep.
I feel like I'm in the kit car.
That's how it is.
Sick as hell, dude. Looks good.
I like Michael Knight.
I'm not supposed to cuss on YouTube. I mean, I guess I can. That's some fuck yeah, dude. Goddamn, dude. You fucking damn near ripped my wig off. I don't know. Goddamn, dude. Hey, you did that shit. You did that shit. Let's get it, man. Hey, man. Where's my hat go? Yeah. Hat back on for the video. We're good to go, dude. There you go. Fuck it, dude. Sometimes you can't do nothing about it. Yep. Hey, but good shit, man.
Yep, for sure.
Bad as hell. I don't smell no coils.
Nope.
Fucking legit
No,
shit.
she's good. I've been playing for 2 hours straight. So just like that.
Ruthless, man. Good shit.
Thank you.
No bother.
He did it again, man. We're at the show. Lower the base.
What's going on, man? How you guys
Goddamn
doing?
it, dude. Shocks for KK's Yukon. He saw the vice grips and couldn't help himself. Yeah, KK's on the grips, dude. Thank you, man. We appreciate you. We love you,
Straight
dude.
from Alderama.
Yeah, man.
Turn the bass up and the road noise down with Damplifier from Second Skin Audio. Damplifier kills structural noise by damping the vibration energy of your car's metal for best-in-class vibration damping and adhesion. Stop the vibrations, stop the noise. All made in the US of A, baby.
Have you been in this one, Brandon? Yeah. It's not that bad.
Yeah, right.
All right, man. Hold on a second. I ain't getting in there.
One time. Look at everyone. Come on, one time.
I'm not. I'm gonna die.
Get in there, dude.
No.
One time, dude.
Nope. I'm tapping from the door. I'm not even getting in there and I'm already tapping. Hell no. I'm pretty serious. I'm finally giving 10 rounds. You got it? Hey, I've never got in
That
that
last little fucking.
It's the last little click.
That last little click.
What
was-
is in there though? What
It's
is in there?
14, 5, 4, 11, 18s. Only 12 on my plan right now because I'm down one end. Yep.
Oh shit.
Yep.
God damn it. Man, ain't doing it. Ain't happening.
Not no more.
No, man, you're already hurting me from the door. I didn't even make it in, and I'm tapping at the door. So, yeah, good shit. How many dBs you said that thing was?
74 and 62.
Yep. So Brandon experienced a 74, and I almost did. I ain't done though. That shit's as bad as hell. No.
You made Brandon do it.
I didn't make it. Oh, they don't know.
Oh, he ready.
Come
He
on.
ready. He ready.
Ready? All right.
Oh, you, come on, don't cover, man.
Bro,
Let's get it. Let's get it.
I'm feeling it in my chin. Vibrating.
Don't cover.
You're good. I got both of you. Hey, I'm in a dangerous spot too, though.
MC, make another hit.
This ain't what you want.
You're a braver man than me. Hey man, that's not me. Hey, woo! That's legit shit, dude.
Sir, appreciate it.
I'll catch up to you.